Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Emirates Islamic bank account using your computer. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Emirates Islamic Bank, go and open up a web browser. In the address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in www.emiratesislamic.ae and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official website of Emirates Islamic Bank, which looks like this. At the top right hand corner, you should see a login button. Simply mouse over to it and you should see a pop-up. Click on the online banking tab from the expanded pop-up menu and you'll end up in this page. Click on the continue to online banking link and you'll end up in the login area. If you've not registered for online banking yet and you'd like to do so, you can go ahead and click on the self-registration link or activate online banking link at the right hand side of the screen. Simply go ahead and type in your information correct and you'll be able to enroll into online banking right away. If you already have an account, you can type in your username on the left hand side of the screen. Type in your username correct and head over to the next field to type in your password. Make sure to enter all of your information correct if you'd like to log in without any kind of a problem. But in case you've forgotten your username and you don't know what to do next, click on this Forgot Username link right beneath your username box. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions in order to look for your password or to look for your username. Finally, after typing in all of your information and you're ready to log in, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into your Emirates Islamic online banking account. The Emirates Islamic Bank is one of the leading banks in UAE. The bank offers financial services to individuals and corporate customers. With an online banking account, you'll be able to use the features like account balance inquiry, fund transfer requests, checkbook requests, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.